Hey everyone, welcome to How Chic. So spring is just around the corner and I have a simple dewy makeup look with a bold lip colour. Today I'll be using products from YesStyle and also from the drugstore, so this look will be super affordable. Starting off with foundation, here I'm using the L'Oreal Infaillable. I've been suffering from a few breakouts and this one covers them like a charm. It gives a satin finish and it doesn't look cakey at all.
The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love. Baby, you got me.
What I love about this foundation is that it's very buildable. Here I apply in a dabbing motion the areas where I want a little bit more coverage.
You pull me in. Your summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees.
To set the foundation into place, I apply a little bit of powder.
I just need you right here next to me. Yeah.
Try not to over powder. You want your skin to remain a little bit dewy for the extra fresh spring glow. Taking your favorite rosy eyeshadow palette, here I'm using this one by Etude house called Rose Wine. Apply a peach wash all over your lids. This will be a brightening base for your eyeshadow.
When you confess your feelings, you ask me how I feel. I said I feel lonely without you by my side.
Taking the shimmery white eyeshadow, apply this on the inner corner of your eyes, the brow bone, and the inner tear duct.
Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you. Cause I just need you. The way you pull me.
Taking the shimmery peach eyeshadow, apply this to the center of your lids and also on the center of your lower lash line. This will give a beautiful peachy shimmery glow.
I don't need much, baby. I just need you right here next to me. Summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby. I just need you right here next to me, yeah.
Taking a warm tone brown shade, line your eyes and stay as close to the lash line as possible.
Had stained my eyes, but with you it's like I never felt that way. Phone's been ringing 20 times. I don't seem to mind, cause you're bothering me in the best way.
Onto the brows. Here I'm using Maybelline's Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. Fill in your brows and stay as close to your natural shape. You want to frame your eyes softly.
Roses on a Wednesday night. This feels alright. Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do. You've got me falling in, I owe it all to you. Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do. Take a little breath and push aside. Tell me what I should be doing, I know. Baby, I love you, what to do, I know. Lately I've been so afraid, can't control these feelings. I've taken a dose of you, just a little will suffice, so I can survive. Finally, baby, I can be a fool for the little things you do to get a hold of me. Chocolate and roses on a Wednesday night. This feels alright.
Now curl your lashes and get them ready for your favorite mascara.
You've got me falling to take a little breath and push aside. Tell me what I should be doing. I know, baby, I love you. What to do? I know. Tell me what I should be doing. I know. I know. I don't know.
Taking a peachy glowy blush, apply this to your cheeks. Try to apply your blush slightly above the apples of your cheeks. This will help give the illusion of a lifted, youthful glow.
Recently I've been thinking about your smiling hair. Instead of focusing on me, I've been focusing on you. Memories of the time we spent back when we were so in love with us. I've been wondering how.
Now on to my favourite step, which is highlight. This one's by Maybelline and it's a gorgeous rosy glow. I apply this on my cheekbones, along my brow bone, tip of my nose and on my cupid's bow.
Ooh, I've been missing you these nights. Ooh, I've been missing our sunny days. The sunny days.
Now on to the lips. I applied this bright fuchsia colour by Maybelline.
Where we drink lemonade and ate some cherry cake. This memory never fades. Those sunny days where we just laid around, clueless about the world outside, just focusing on us. I miss those sunny days I spent with you. No matter what the season is, I'll still be thinking about you in a summer, spring, or fall. No matter night or day, at school or home, or even when I'm sleeping, I'll be dreaming about you.
Then to finish everything, apply setting spray to set everything into place.
Sometimes I think meeting you was a mistake, 'cause I can't do anything without you. Ooh.
And that's it. That's my spring makeup look done. I hope you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed the spring makeup and the weather outside. And if you want to chat to me on Instagram, then please do add me there, and I send you all of my hugs and my love. Bye!
I've been missing a sun.